Don't watch this video if you secretly love waking up to red screens, margin calls, revenge trades hitting your account, and zero plan inside. If chaos is your comfort zone, close it right now. But if you're tired of losing money because your head and workspace look like a war zone, stay. Because in the next 8 minutes, I'm gonna show you how I turned my trading from total mess in a calm control with the one simple Notion workspace. Enjoy. I used to trade like a complete mess. Wake up, glance at the chart for 2 seconds, smash by without checking anything that could kill the trade. Result, stop loss. Another, then another, and another. FOMO explodes, revenge kicks in, account goes straight to blown. Ring a bell? If you're fine living in this daily nightmare, keep scrolling. But if you are sick of bleeding money because your head and workspace are a war zone, stay. A clean setup won't make you magically profitable, but it removes about 80% of emotional noise and chaos that kills your edge. You spot the problems the moment they appear, every node is in one place, every thought is structured, the bias is clear. Psychology stops fighting you, and suddenly only decision left is buy or sell. The hard emotional work is already done by the system, you just execute. And let's fix it once and for all. Chaos in trading isn't just the ugly screens. When everything is random, you miss the key levels, forget to journal, enter on emotion, exit on panic. Every missed note becomes a missed lesson. Every lost thought, lost age. And over time, the chaos compounds into blown accounts and burned our mind. But when your workspace is clean and structured, psychology stops working against you. You catch the mistakes before they cost money, every trade idea gets written down and reviewed. Bias is not guesswork, it's documented. And the best part, you remove about 80% of mental noise and the only real decision is buy or sell. The system holds the chaos, you hold the control. And let me show you exactly how I built that system in Notion and Google Sheets, simply and actually useful for real trading in 2026. Okay, let's dive into the Notion workspace itself. This is my main trading hub for 2026. At first glance, it might look a bit overwhelming with all the dashboards, charts, bars, and sections, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Right here on the main page, we have the account dashboard. It's pulling live data straight from Google Sheets, balance, win rates, withdrawals, deposits, P&L curves, everything you need to see at the glance first thing in the morning. We will come back to Google Sheets in a second. There is some cool stuff there too. Now this is the real heart of the workspace, the trading database. This is where all my strategy details live, the core theory, trading documents, market reviews. You can dive in by year, by month, by week, by day. Everything is organized and linked. First up is market review section. Everything is pre-built, you just need to fill the screenshots and your plan. You just come in after the session, calmly fill the summary out, no rush, no emotion. And the next morning you already have yesterday's lesson ready. This is one section alone saves you from impulsive entries and I forgot what I thought yesterday. Next, my trading code. This is the document I force myself to read every single day. Here I write down the rules I'm not allowed to break. Let me show you the key blocks I recommend everyone has. The first one is emotional rules, what to do when feelings try to hijack the plan. Risk management, hard limits per trade and per day. The third one is step-by-step entry checklist, so I never enter just because I feel like it. Fourth one is sanctions, what happens if I break the code? Yes, I actually punish myself. The fifth one is goals, where I'm heading as a trader in 2026 and why. When the code and the plan are written down in advance, emotions, impulses, and random desires almost don't get a chance to interfere. You just follow the system, and that's exactly why most stupid blows up simply don't happen anymore. In short, organization doesn't make you a trading god, but it brutally removes about 80% of mental noise and chaos that destroys most traders. And once that's gone, the only thing left, you versus the market, clean decision, buy or sell. Before we go to Google Sheets, in my previous video about the morning pre-session routine, I showed the full step-by-step preparation I do every day before trading. If you really want to implement this Notion workspace the right way, so you need to watch this video. You can tap reminder card up top. It's only 8 minutes, but it connects all the dots. Now let's jump into Google Sheets. This is literally the soul of the entire trading journal. As you can see, there are curves, metrics, lists. It looks a bit busy at first, but I'll guide you through every part. First, the dashboard. This is the clean visual overview of the account, current balance, monthly gain loss, strategy results, pair breakdowns, so how many percent of trades on each one, and overall stats for any time period you choose. Everything pulls automatically from the log, no manual work. The core is the trade log. This is my detailed trading diary. Every single trade, pair, direction, entry type, detail notes, screenshots link, all the data feeds directly into the curves, pie charts, and reports, so nothing has to be counted by hand. Next, strategy report. Here you get visual stats, especially for each strategy I use. You tag the strategy when adding the trades, and boom, win rate, P&L, average profit loss, trade count, detailed breakdowns. If you run multiple strategies, you instantly see which one is carrying and which one is bleeding. Account report, almost the same, but focused on specific accounts. Perfect when you need to figure out why a certain month went wrong. Dive in and see everything. Calendar is one of the most favorite parts of this workspace for me. You've probably seen this in prop firms, a color table by days, so you can choose the year, month, account, and you immediately see which days are profitable, which are killers, and you can see trade per day. So it helps spot patterns fast. For example, Fridays are always my worst day. And the next one is calculators. Classic but super useful. Input the trade parameters, get instant profit calculator. Plus currency converter, PEEP calculator, and few other tools I use. And before we wrap up this section, the start page. This is where I add and manage all the accounts, strategies, select the currency for each account, and set up other foundational stuff that directly fits into the metrics, log, and reports. All this is in one Google Sheets file. It gives me the full picture of my trading, stats, patterns, weak spots. You start noticing career mistakes you never saw before, and then you fix them before they cost another account. Wrapping it all up, Organized Workspace removes about 80% of chaotic actions that destroy most trades. What's left? Just the decision buy or sell, and of course log the trades, nothing more. And using the plans, the trading code, and this Google Sheets setup, I improved my trading quality above 47%, and that's one of the biggest wins I've ever had. Want to try it yourself? The basic Notion workspace is completely free, so you can just duplicate the template by the link in the description. Of course, without my strategy and trading database, especially to you, fill everything according to your strategy. So link in the description, just duplicate and use it. However, the full version with my trading diary, the market session analysis and updates available in my Telegram for those who want to go deeper and trade with me. And if you want to see how this all fits into the real morning routine, you can check the video on my channel regarding the pre-session morning trading routine, where I show how I prepare for trading from the start of the morning, and that starts not from the charts. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Trading psychology and discipline are the real edges that people should give the attention first. And if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe and turn on notifications. I've already uploaded a few videos regarding the psychology, so you can go and check them out. See you in the next video. Bye!